Hello, Papa did just say.
Okay, so as you can see from the title, we are going to the zoo.
You say that's what Papa would say, what?
Yeah, it's on your face.
What do you say for me?
So we just got like these weird looking food, look like looking something, I don't know, like dog poop.
Yeah, kind of poop.
Yeah, and we get to feed the animals.
Eat that.
No, he wants you eat it. I. Guys, get the food! Oh,
There's another one though.
is he gonna bite me?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, yeah, they say you can do like this and the deer will.
I don't like this.
Here. Oh, he's pooping! Oh my god!
Without horns?
I don't know. I think it's a goat.
No. Look at those ones.
Those ones were big. Crazy. Look at the zebra. What? This is actually like my first time seeing a zebra story.
I just lost it.
Why is it Papa? It's too small. Here, use mine. Whoa!